What would an Amazon PPC grading checklist include to quickly assess campaign health? First item on the checklist, is my ad running or not? Check. If it's running, great. If it's not running, troubleshoot what is causing it not to run. That would be the first thing. Second, what is the structure and strategy behind each campaign? Each campaign might have a different strategy. If it's not aligned with the strategy, that is something to troubleshoot. 3, did the campaign run well previously and it's not running anymore? Define what went well. It had more orders, now it has less orders. It had a lower ACOS, now it has higher ACOS. It had less spend, now it has more spend. It had more relevancy, now it has less relevancy. So that is the one thing that once that you are going to define, then it's going to be very quickly for you to see, all right, what caused it. And what we love to do here is we are going to analyze the performance of the campaign. It should have been running at least for 2 weeks, so we can clearly confirm if last week, what was the performance, this week, what is the performance, and what is the difference between them. Most of the time, someone just asked about a mistake that silently costs sellers thousands every year. Most of the time, one of the most expensive mistakes is that you might think that you should be optimizing everything to get the cheapest and lowest and most effective ads. And what's going to end up is that you're going to lower your bids too much, show up in a different placement, and that placement is just converting the same way for you as it did for the previous placement. So that might be also my quick to-do list or quick list to see if a campaign is healthy or not. Probably there are many more. Basically, understanding that you create campaign with the strategy, and if it's within the strategy, it works the way it's supposed to. If not, you should troubleshoot.